It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Carissa and welcome to my channel, and thanks for clicking on this video. So today is an early morning routine. This is what I do before anybody else in the house gets up. So as you can see, it started with giving the dogs their dentist sticks and putting them outside to go to the bathroom, getting changed and grabbing some water, and then I am going to start on my workout, which is Chloe Ting. I don't know if any of you have tried her workouts, but they're a workout. I've been doing them for probably a month now. I did the 2-week shred challenge first, then I tried the summer shred, and now I'm on to this one. So basically what you're seeing is very sped up. This actual whole routine took me about 45 minutes to complete, and as you can see, it's even harder when I've got a puppy in my face and the dog's laying beside me and doing all that sort of stuff. So I have been trying to lose weight for a while now, probably since March of this year, and have managed to lose a fair bit, probably about 25 kilos. So I'm on my way. I'm not all the way there yet, but I am enjoying what I'm doing. This was actually a weekend when I made this video, so after I finish these, normally I will go run on our treadmill, which is in the garage, and that's normally another 40 minutes. But here I am, huffing and puffing away. And after this, I actually do a couple of things clean up wise. I unload the dishwasher, and I also do the toilet, and I clean up the laundry and open the curtains, so when everybody wakes up there's sunshine, or hopefully sunshine, and I don't have to worry about the toilet. And I also have my protein shake. If you're not on my Facebook or Instagram, I'm actually doing keto and have been for probably about a month now. So I have my keto protein shake just to tide me over, and that normally does me to about lunchtime. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my workouts or my keto diet, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.